Our latest adventure is coming to Adventure Archives on November 27th, and you can watch the early release right now at patreon.com/adventure. This is one of our most incredible adventures yet. Join us as we embark on the journey of a lifetime to Glacier National Park. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy our videos, please consider joining our Patreon community at patreon.com/adventure.
Patrons get early access to the videos, special live streams, commentaries, and bloopers. And patrons at the hiker tier can even get their names in the credits. If you enjoyed the music we wrote for the episode, you can find all of it at adventurearchives.bandcamp.com. Finally, we have t-shirts for sale, which you can find at bit.ly/adventureshirts. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.